Linking your bank account to TaskRabbit is essential for receiving payments for your services. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Create a login to your TaskRabbit account. Visit the TaskRabbit website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you are new, sign up by providing the necessary information. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Payment or Payment Settings option in the menu. This section is where you will manage your financial information. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the Payment Settings, find the option to add a bank account. Click on it to begin the process of linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that you input this information accurately to avoid issues with payments. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your TaskRabbit account, allowing you to receive payments for your tasks. If you encounter any issues, consult TaskRabbit support for assistance.